Aloha, I'm Generational Master Beekeeper Darren Olson here in beautiful Manoa. As a beekeeper, I know the value of honey. I wonder why we have vending machines only with high fructose corn syrup and food that has little nutritional value but has high amounts of calories. None of the food that I can find in the vending machine here in beautiful Hawaii on the campus of University of Hawaii, Manoa, has any food from local businesses. Everything is a mainland company that promotes corn in some form or fashion and has no added value to our students. I wonder how much influence media has on food choices and how much more influence we could have by offering some of the coffees grown here in Hawaii, or the teas grown here in Hawaii, or honey as the sweetener that is local, sustainable, and promotes our agriculture here in Hawaii by promoting food safety and food security. Yes, there is a requirement to have food and beverages for students in between busy classes. No, I don't think our only vending machine options should be a zero-sum game. I think some of our options, more and more, should be buy local, food sustainable, value-added foods like our honey or mac nuts, or food that has value that can be added to the immune system, for example, versus the immune depleting foods like the high fructose corn syrup foods that we often eat just as energy. Hopefully we can change this little by little by adding to the support of master beekeepers like myself in order to get products commercially viable to students who are the target market for healthy choices. Mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much.